Hello and welcome in Global 360 Explore. So in this video we are going to explore you the Skopje. It is the capital of North Macedonia. In this video we are going to explore Skopje, the vibrant capital of North Macedonia, a city where history, culture and modern life come together in a fascinating blend. From ancient fortresses to bustling markets, Skopje has something for everyone. So just join me to uncover its stories, discover that makes a city is so unique. So in the video, just you are going to see the roadside of Skopje. It's a very nice city. So it is not that much far from the Skopje International Airport. And this was my first Balkan tour, uh, first time. So just I started my journey from uh, Dubai. Yes, from Dubai to North Macedonia. So then just from North Macedonia, Skopje airport to just I went in the city, just a very central point of Skopje. It's very nice. Just in the video you already see that how beautiful city it is. So just once you will just watch the video, you will get the idea about the Skopje, how clean it is, how beautiful city, how natural city it is. The transportation system also unique. Just just we are walking in the roadside and just taking the videos. So just you can enjoy the video. In the meantime, I'm going to explore you something about the Macedonia, some history like this. So the Skopje is the city of history spanning over 2000 years, and it has been shaped by Romans and Ottomans, each leaving mark on the city culture and architecture. Today's Skopje is lively mix of old tradition and modern life, making it one of the most fascinating capitals in Balkans. There is many interesting places you can visit nearby Skopje, and there is also a river. There, the river name is Barda River, and there is also a stone bridge. We cross the iconic stone bridge connecting the old and new parts of Skopje. This historic bridge has stood for over 500 years and is symbol of the city. One of the other side lies Macedonia Square. Macedonia Square is really great place. I think Macedonia Square is the heart of the Skopje, and there is a lots of people over there all the time, adorned with striking statues, including the famous warriors on on the horse statue representing Alexander the Great. There is also Old Bazaar and another interesting place, the I think Mother Teresa Memorial House also over there. You know that I think Skopje is also the birthplace of the Mother Teresa, one of the most beloved humanitarians in the world. Her memorial house is a place of reflection, honoring her life and work. Visiting here gives you a sense of pride of the city and its contribution to humanity. I was there in the birthplace of Mother Teresa, and I was sitting down about couple minutes, and also just I went inside of the museum. It's really nice. So in this video, just there you see there is just explanation about the Skopje. Just I'm gonna just tell you the very basic information about the Skopje. So the main purpose of this video, just we are going to show you the overall Skopje. Just whatever we can cover in and short video. It's not that much long video. It's all about I think 15 to 16 minutes video. Just we tried our best to capture the beauty of Skopje in the daytime. Yeah, so you can enjoy it. Thank you, and we'll get back again. So in the modern Skopje, I think it's was very nice. They have a lots of new bridges, statue, modern buildings also. In recent years, Skopje has transformed through the Skopje from 2014 project. The city now features grand monuments, new bridges, and striking public buildings. While some perfects sparked debates, they have undeniably made the city is very unique and provide visitors with countless photos opportunities. Very nice place to sitting there taking photos. And another thing is very interesting about the local cuisine. I tried many places of the local cuisine of Macedonian food. So in exploring Skopje wouldn't be complete without tasting its delicious cuisine. Macedonia's food is a mix of Balkan and Mediterranean flavors. Dishes like tabis gravis, ajbar, shopiska salad are a must try. Especially in the shopiska salad, it's very delicious. And pair your meal with a local mm, drinks, and you'll enjoy the true taste of the Skopje. So, especially in the evening life of Skopje, also more beautiful. As the evening falls, Skopje transforms. The streets lights up, riverside cafes boots with life, and the city takes on a magical glow. Whether you are enjoying a quiet evening or sipping coffee at a terrace cafe, or Skopje has charm that stays with you long after the sun sets. So see the beauty of Skopje, especially the river. I think the small river, very close to the Skopje city, makes it very very beautiful and wonderful. Overall, the tour in 2024 was very memorable to me in the Skopje. So I think Skopje is a city of contrast, ancient yet modern, lively yet peaceful, historic yet full of surprises. From its rich history to its vibrant present, Skopje leaves a lasting impression on every visitor. So thank you for joining me on this journey, and I think if you enjoyed exploring Xplore with a group with family, just you can visit. It's a very 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 nice place to visit. Thank you so much. Thank you.